Calculation of the ground state energy of linear harmonic oscillator using uncertainty principle. Now we know the uncertainty principle, del x into del px greater equal h bar by 2. We take here del x nearly equals to r and we get del px equals to h bar by 2r, putting the del x equals to r. And then we know the kinetic energy k equals to p square by 2m, and then put p equals to, from uncertainty principle, del p equals to h bar by 2r, and here h bar by 2r and square by 2m, and we get h bar square by 8m r square. Then we know the potential energy of harmonic oscillator, that is the potential energy of harmonic oscillator, half k x square or half k r square, as we take x nearly equals to r. We put it here, and then we know that total energy E equals to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Now we calculate the value of kinetic energy, h bar square by 8m r square, and potential energy half k r square. And we know from the derivative, for minimum value of any function, the derivative, the first order derivative of that function will be equals to 0. And here we put del E del r equals to 0, and then del r of h bar square by 8m r square plus half k r square equals to 0. And solving, then we get r square 1 by r square, derivative of 1 by r square minus 2 by r cube. We put it r square 2r, 2 cancel out, then kr, and it's equals to 0. Then we get equating the r to the power 4 equals to h bar square by 4mk. Now r to the power 4 equals to h bar square by 4 m square omega square. From here we get it, the omega square equals to k by m, and putting the value of k, we get r to the power 4 equals to h bar square by 4 m square omega square. Then r square equals to what? H bar by 2m omega. We did not take that minus value, we take only the positive value. And then we putting the value of r square in the equations of total energy, h bar square by 8m r square plus half m omega square. From here the k we put it, omega square equals to k by m. That value I put it here. Now h bar square by 8m into 1 by r square 2m omega by h bar. Okay, then half m omega square, r square value h bar by 2m omega, and then 2 cancel out, 4 cancel out, h bar cancel out, then what left? 1 over 4th h bar omega, and here also 1 over 4th h bar omega, and its total half h bar omega. Okay. Then show the ground state energy of linear harmonic oscillator, it E0 equals to half h bar omega. We calculate that value, but let's verify if the value is correct or incorrect. We know the n state energy of linear harmonic oscillator En equals to n plus half h bar omega. N equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 and dot natural number. For ground state n equals to 0, and then we put the 0, E0 equals to half h bar omega. That means the value we calculated from the uncertainty principle is correct, as obtained from the value of the equations of En equals to n plus half h bar omega. Thank you for watching the video, and like and subscribe.